And find out more. Hey, Betty.
Hey guys, I want to update you on that severe thunderstorm warning. It's now 5:20 p.m. so the severe thunderstorm warning thankfully expired. The storm is not as strong as it was, but we're still watching all of the heavy rainfall that it's producing, and winds may gust to about 30 miles per hour, but rain certainly is our issue in and around Fort Lauderdale, where it is just teeming. I'll get in a little closer on the Doppler radar because I do want to point out this area for Fort Lauderdale over towards Sunrise, Davie, Dania Beach, and Hollywood. Flash flood warning. We have that going for you. And then just this other spot between Fort Lauderdale down toward Dania Beach, that's just the flood warning that's been in effect because of the standing water out there, that until 8 o'clock tonight. But let's talk rainfall rates and what we're seeing. We do like the fact that a portion of the storm is starting to push offshore. So more and more Fort Lauderdale should start to get out of some of the really heavy rainfall, but it's still coming down, especially on the east side where we see those brighter or more intense red colors right around Galleria Mall. Let's see what that rainfall rate looks like. 5.63 inches per hour. That's a lot of rainfall being unleashed. Not a fun drive along this stretch of I-95 right now, heading south toward Hollywood or even going north up toward Pompano Beach. So the rain does lighten up once you get near Pompano Beach and north of. So rainfall rate still tremendous, but with a little time, I do think the back edge of this will eventually slip offshore. We'll catch some dry time, but there may be some more behind that. We'll talk about that. Here's the scene around North Miami-Dade, where the heavy rainfall is moving in around Miami Gardens, down toward Miami Lakes as well. We are tracking the rain in your neighborhood. I'll give you some rainfall rates. We know what the red color tells us. It's raining hard out there, and that is indeed the case. So Miami Gardens rainfall rates there topping 2 inches per hour, and this likely is going to move on over toward Opelika, North Miami, Aventura. Be ready for some rainfall to come on in. Medley, Hialeah catching some rain as well. Now behind that soaking storm, there is another storm, not as impressive and not necessarily well put together, but rain is what we see working its way from US 27 and eventually heading eastward toward Weston and Coral Springs. Hopefully that won't be quite as intense as what this lead storm has brought to Fort Lauderdale, but there will be more damp weather in the forecast before we shut things down, and hopefully we can shut things down by around, say, 7:30 this evening. Here's the 7-day planner. Tomorrow's a different day. Should be a little bit better than today, though with daytime heating, we could have a few showers or a storm that pops up. Finally, by Saturday, the rain chance is down to just 20%. Nicole?
Okay, counting down the days. Thanks, Betty.